Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So as you guys all know that Punita Rajkumar sir, he passed away on 29th October. So we felt very bad about hearing that news, and yes, we didn't give any reaction or any comments on that in our
No,
video.
we have
We have
commented.
just posted a
in
community
the
post,
community
yes,
section.
that one, but we didn't make any videos. A lot of the people have told that why you guys are not reacting on any video of Punita Rajkumar. So actually, last time also, earlier also, we have reacted some of the videos on the people, on the great people who passed away. So people was thinking, and their perspective was like that just for money and views, we are giving reaction on their death.
Yeah.
So it
So
was
that
not
is why
all
we
about
didn't
that.
do.
Yeah. So we thought it's a good time also, and he got Karnataka Ratna Award also today. It was got announced that
Yes.
he will be getting Karnataka Ratna Award. So we thought, okay, taking this opportunity, we can give reaction on his some of the best dance steps.
Yes.
Because he was so much energetic
He was
guy,
very
and
talented.
of course he was influencing a lot of youngster with his dance, with his acting skills,
Yes.
and lot of great initiative also, right?
And
We have-
one thing, like I have noticed that he was having always the smiling face.
Yes,
He was the
that
person
was
who
the
was
common
having
thing we have seen
always
everywhere,
a smiling face everywhere. Like if he is attending some function or some gathering,
any event or
event
anything.
or attending any event or any get together, he is like attending, or any like promotional time. Every time he is having that cute smile
Yes,
on his face. So when we got to know about the death, we couldn't believe. We thought, okay, this is, I think,
Seriously.
some bad joke is going on, or some
Right.
ridiculous thing people are doing. So
I
we
tried to check a lot of the
yes,
different
I also,
websites
even
also,
me
but
also was like
then I
trying
confirmed with
to
some
see whether this is bad,
reputed
like
newspaper,
fake
yeah.
news or what. Because from my mind I was thinking, Bhagwan, it should be a fake news.
Yeah.
But it was not a fake news, and we were
Unfortunate it
very
was there.
unhappy on that day. We were just thinking that, oh my god, like how come all the good person, like good people are going, right?
Yes,
So
exactly, and
we
that
were
is
not
also
in the mood of giving the reaction. A lot of people, a lot of YouTubers has already done that tribute or something like that. But he is not an older person, right? He is a person like who should
such a
not go
young
such a
age,
young age. That
and
is why we couldn't.
that was unbelievable for a lot of the
Unbelievable.
people, because
Yeah.
at the age of 40 around, it's not the time for anybody. 40 45 something it was there.
Correct.
So it was not the time for anybody to leave this planet. Seriously, that was very sad news. And his last movie, that was You Are Ratna. We watched that movie, and that was a really fantastic movie. We loved it. Love story kind of little bit movie was
Still I
there.
couldn't believe it. Still I'm thinking like, oh my god, that actually happened. So it was a very heart melting situation for us when we got to know about this. And yes, we didn't do the reaction video because of that fact only, that last time when we did the Sushant Singh Rajput ji ka on the
tribute
time,
on his
and also
death,
Vivek sir ka tribute jo hum kiye the on that video. And also like we got messages that why you are giving the reaction, people are not taking it like in a good way.
we
and
got a
all.
lot of hate comments
Hot
as well,
hate
so
comments we have gotten. So we thought, okay, this time we will not do, because he is a very famous actor, and
yes,
we are doing in like thinking something else, but people are taking it
Yes.
something else. So that
Right.
is why we
As a
didn't
reactor,
do.
as
But
a-
now when we didn't do, now also people are
people
saying
are
that
asking
why you are not
doing.
giving the reaction. So
we
what
thought,
we will do?
we thought as a
This is
reactor,
very-
yes, we are a reactor, so
Yeah.
it's the way we give our reaction, that way we have to give our own tribute.
Own tribute.
So that's why we came up with this
Today
video.
when we got to know that Karnataka Ratna Award he is getting, so that
Yes.
is a very prestigious thing for him and for his family also as well. Now he is not here, but he somewhere like he is like seeing, and he is again smiling with that beautiful smile, right?
Yeah.
So we thought, okay, people are telling also, and a lot of hate comments also we are getting, that you are staying in Karnataka, in Bangalore, and you are not respecting the Karnataka actors.
No,
Nothing
it's
like
not-
that.
nothing like that.
Nothing like that. We are just the thought was like that only, what we have just expressed. I hope that you guys understood the situation. But today we are very ready to see the dance steps of
Yes.
Punit
And
Rajkumar
remember
sir.
him once again.
And yes, his talent will be always like remain alive. into
as
our heart.
as a beautiful person, he will be always
Correct.
there.
He will be always there. So let's get started. I think a lot of you guys will be emotional by seeing again his dance steps and all. So let's cherish all the moment and let's get started with the video. Always a smiling face.
That smile,
Yes. Top 10 dance.
yeah.
Effortless. My God. Number 9.
Wow.
ತಾರ ತಿಗಡಿ ಪಾತಾಳ್ ಗರಡಿ ತಳಕು ಬಳಕು ಬೆಳ್ಳಂ ಬೆಳಕು ಲಕ 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 ಲೋಕ ನಮ್ದು ಮಾಯ ಬಜಾರು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬಾಳು ಬೆಂಡೆ ಮಾತು ನೀರಿನ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದೋಣಿ ತೂತು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಡುಮ್ಕಿ ಡಮರು
Michael Jackson of Karnataka.
Seriously. He's better than I think a lot of good dancers.
Single song,
Such effortless. He's doing better than those choreographers. Wow.
Rock the beat.
It's very difficult. Normal people can't do.
big takes.
Yes. Outstanding.
ದಂಡನಕ ಡಣಕನಕ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಿತ್ತು ಸುಸ್ತು ಆದಾಗ ಹೊಡಿ ಸೋಡಾ ಶರ್ಬತ್ತು ದಂಡನಕ ಡಣಕನಕ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಿತ್ತು ಸುಸ್ತು ಆದಾಗ ಹೊಡಿ ಸೋಡಾ ಶರ್ಬತ್ತು
ನೋಡುವರ್ಗೂ ನೋಡಿ ಒಬ್ಳು ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಹೆತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಲು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಗೊಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಗಿಸ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಪ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುಪ್ಪೇಕಪ್ಪ ಮೇಕೆ ತಿನ್ನದ ಸೊಪ್ಪೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವನು ತಿನ್ನದ ಮೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 64 ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೀರೋದೊಬ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಸು. ಜಾಕಿ 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 ರಾಮ ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಕುಳುಕು. ಜಾಕಿ 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 ಸಾಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸತ್ತ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತ ದಮ್ಮಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ.
ಅಡ್ಡಾದಿಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಾಳೋರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸೋನು. ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ರೂಟಿನ್ನು. ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇದ ಪೂ, ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇದ ಪೂ, ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇದ ಪೂ. ನಟ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮ, he is king of the cinema. ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೆ ಕೇಡಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಗಪ್ಪು ಚುಪ್ಪು. ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇದ ಪೂ.
Unbelievable.
And all dancing is great.
ऊपर से जूता के साथ with the shoe also. God, man.
This is super talent. My goodness.
I'm speechless.
Steps.
God.
Open the bottle, tal tal tal. Open the bottle, tal 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 tal. Open the bottle, tal tal tal. Open the bottle, tal 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 tal. Open the bottle, tal tal tal. Open the bottle, tal 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 tal. Open the bottle, tal tal tal.
Nice. I haven't seen this step. Seriously, I can't believe now also.
Yeah.
Seriously, I can't believe. I can't
Very hard to
believe.
believe that he's
So much
not
active person, so much physically fit person. How can he go away with a heart attack. It's
He's
very
such an
hard to
energetic,
believe,
such an
right?
energetic person. He's very fit. I don't know. He's having a very fit and very good body. But
Yes.
after like all of these things, why he was having the heart attack? It's a mystery actually. But it's very hard to believe also that at a very like small age, how come a person like such an energetic person
Right.
passed away, right?
I have,
So
I have
this
never
is
heard.
unbelievable.
Actually, I have never heard that he is having any disease
Any
or
disease or
anything.
any
I've never
something,
heard.
ah.
Like some people have there some problem, some disease, or some people are like mentally sick, mentally ill. Also, they also mentally tensed up so much. So that time people also get sometimes heart attack due to some lot of pressure, stress. But he was not having any kind of thing. He was too much jolly kind of guy, right? He is generally used to laugh with everybody in front of
Yes.
everybody. So seriously,
This
it's
is very
hard,
sad
very
actually.
hard to
While
believe.
we was watching his video also, that time also we were thinking like this person is not here with us, right? He's no more. And like talking about his talent, okay, that is the most important thing. Talking about his talent, he is an extraordinary talented person. The way he was like dancing, I think I have seen very little person, very little people who is capable of doing this kind of dance steps. Those are very difficult, hell difficult, but he was doing it effortlessly.
Effortlessly.
Like it was like looking that he is not putting at all effort, and the outcome is like fabulous.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's in heart of
he's-
millions.
हाँ,
He's inspiration
his legs
of
were like moving
millions.
like snake. You know, it
Of
was
course,
like
yeah.
seeming that he doesn't have any bones or something. It was like so flexible. I think we have lost a gem. Okay,
Yeah.
we have lost a gem, and it was a terrific thing that such a talented person has
His,
gone.
his contribution towards society also is very great.
Yes, the contribution
Very
also. Talking
contribution.
about the contribution also, he has built up a lot of schools, lot of
Free schools also.
yeah,
right?
lot of anathalai
Yes,
for
old
the
age home
old age
as
homes
well.
and all. Like when I got to know, to be very frank, I knew about some of the facts about Appuji, but when I got to know, like after his death, a lot of messages and keep on coming right in your
Hmm.
social media. I got to know, and I was feeling so sad, like
Was it
I was just talking to Abhay. Abhay was also discussing
Shocked.
that how come, like this is unreal, man. So
Actually, after hearing his news
Life is
also,
very unpredictable.
his news also, we are feeling we don't know how long we are going to live,
yeah,
because such
True.
a energetic, such a physically
True.
fit person is getting passed away in
Yeah.
such a small time. So
we don't believe like
we are
that.
not that much
We are-
fit also.
we
right?
are not
We
fit
don't
at
know.
all. We don't do yoga. We don't do gym. We are
Exercise,
eating
nothing.
spicy food. We are eating bahar ka khana every time. So we are not
Our
at
life
all.
there is no guarantee.
No
as well,
guarantee
right?
as well. We are not sleeping in a proper time. So I think tomorrow also we can die, right? So
That's seriously, it's a
like
big
seriously
question for
believe
us
on
as well.
having life is like going away.
Yeah.
So
In recent days, so many last 1 year, so many deaths with
We have
heart
seen,
attack and such a young age also we have
Siddharth
seen.
Shukla.
Yes,
Yes,
he
that is
he was
also
also
there,
so good actor and so good person as well. So people are dying without any
What is happening?
cause of
Really
why the heart
understand.
attack
Don't
at this
understand.
small age.
Yeah.
So it's very sad to hear those news, and really I would like that I don't want to hear this kind of news anymore.
Yes, don't
Anymore.
want to, man, don't want to. So yes, that is it for today's video. Actually, we didn't want to make you guys sad or something, or we also don't want to be sad, because our channel is meant for happiness and spreading happiness, all of these things. So please
may
don't
God-
don't think that we are not giving the reaction. That means we don't care about this thing.
Right.
No,
Because,
nothing like that. We are human
we
beings.
are avoiding that's it was the reason, because if you give a reaction also, people will also start thinking of him. They will also feel sad,
Yeah.
and we don't want to make people sad. And we also see, after seeing him also, every time whenever I see, I feel very down.
Very down.
Exactly.
Very down. Today, I was not looking into his smiling face. I was just looking into his dance steps. Because whenever I was
Facing
just,
is very tough,
my eyes were like like putting on his face, no, I was feeling very bad that this smiling face we will be like never
missing now.
we will not see again.
Alright.
It was like seriously, man,
May-
it was, my heart
may
is
his
like
soul
feeling
rest
now.
in peace, and
Yes.
maybe he's looking us
Yeah,
from up,
from
right?
up. Not only us, everyone, right? We are
Yeah.
millions of fan following are there, and what to say, like we are lacking of words now.
Yes.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.